even with proper technique. These have actually pulled over, so we may be able to, let's go ahead and pull these guys out. Shingles up in here. There's some nails, I'm sorry. I don't want to come loose. Okay, looks like we got one more on this guy. Really hope this is showing up okay on the camera. It's not really wanting to do this again if I can help it. Okay. Okay, there we go. We're making progress. Looks like I got one more nail. I think this is it right here. Okie dokie. Alright, bombs away. Alright, so we are now moving on to the next part of this repair attempt. Gonna be putting these Timberline HDZ. HDZ is denoted versus HD by the line here for additional adhesion. I'm going to start with this lower one, and as you can see, hopefully in the video, this doesn't match, not even close. That is not even close on color matching. But being that I've removed the tarp for the purposes of trying to keep this roof from leaking, we're going to go ahead and nail in place. So we're gonna do a standard 6-nail pattern per manufacturer's instructions for 130 mile an hour or maximum wind resistance. Got one more nail that's giving me problems. Alright, so that should, there we go. Should be able to get that up in position. Okay. So, go ahead and do a 6-nail. Actually, I don't like where that is. There's one. 2. 3. 4. 5. And 6. Now this is where the brittleness issue comes into play. Based on this shingle, even if I lift it, I could, aside from the material transfer and the tearing, I could have some additional damage incurring solely from the failure of a brittle test. This shingle is lifted based on where it's unnailed, so I should be able to get this one in okay. So we're gonna put that one in. So I've got 6 nails in this shingle. As you can see, it is not even a close match on color, but again, we're gonna continue to do this for the sake of this repairability test. So we're gonna get second shingle up in place. Looks like I've got, no, this should be okay as far as lining it up. Okay, so we've got shingle number 2 in place. For this test, I'm not going to be replacing these other shingles. I will be nailing them back in place, but for the purposes of this repairability test, it's not happening. So we're gonna go ahead and, so we got 1 nail, 2 nails, not liking where that one went. 3 nails, 4, oh. 5, about to lose pry bar, and finally 6. Okay, so conclusions here. We've got a massive repairability issue. We got material transfer, we've got tearing. I'm gonna go ahead and nail this shingle in. When I lift these shingles to get them sealed in, we're gonna see probably some damage from a brittleness perspective. But on a matching perspective, this is not a match. Not even close. Definitely gonna be an eyesore. And again, right here you can see